It's a Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the MOLOCH channel, and today we are going through an episode of stickers. This one is from Facto Design out of Japan, made in Japan, and we've got a sticker from DSUKE. Let's get up close so you can see it pretty well. It's a really awesome one. I was actually not aware of this artist until I found Facto Design. I found them through looking for stickers from Ken2, and I really love DSUKE's work. I love the line work, and just the motion in the drawing is really nice. And all their drawings, for the most part, are just awesome. In terms of themes, they usually like to draw girls with either birds of prey or like lizards, and as a kid I really loved birds of prey and lizards, so it's really awesome. We've got, looks like it says a rock eagle owl, a snowy owl, and a common kestrel. I recognize the snowy owl. I thought this might be a horned owl, and I thought this might be a Harris hawk, except the coloration was a little weird on the head, but it makes sense. I think when I was a kid I used to draw a lot of birds too. I did red-tailed hawks, Harris hawks, a lot of those, peregrine falcons. I remember I thought chickadees were like the cutest bird ever. So chubby and stuff, so I drew a lot of chickadees. I think it was a painted bunting or a rainbow. I can't remember if I'm remembering their name right, but there's a colorful bird I thought was really cool. I remember there's a lizard I thought looked really cool, which I actually got to see in real life at one point. Out on a hike, I think it's skink. They're like a black and white striped lizard, but they have this super bright blue tail. And the tail can actually disconnect if attacked and serve as like a distraction, which I thought was kind of crazy cool. And it is striking when you see them. You know, the blue really does stand out. It's not the most common color in nature. But yeah, really, really cool sticker by DSUKE. Thank you so much, Facto Design. They have opened up to U.S. shipping. They have a U.S. kind of, I think it might even be an international distribution website. It can be a little unique to navigate, I think, because I'm mostly used to American sites, but you know, show them some support. I think it's an awesome thing. They work with a lot of great artists. So if you're interested in stickers like this, be sure to check out Facto Design. Again, this video is not sponsored. Would love to have it be at some point. But yeah, I'm just doing this on my own accord. So be sure to like, subscribe, maybe comment. Do what you can to support the channel. Maybe even check out my Patreon. There's some cool things there, like getting your name in the credits or voting on the next video. Thanks again, and I hope to see you guys later. Take care.